We'll guide you through how to install Google Classroom on a laptop or PC. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. This is really convenient as you can easily get to Classroom on your computer. You don't have to go and open up a web browser, go and type in Classroom. You could go and click on it on your desktop and get there. So to get started, go and open up a web browser. In this guide, I'm using Chrome. You can also use Chrome, but I know the feature we're going to be using is also in other browsers as well. Otherwise, just use Chrome and you can follow step by step. Now, what we need to do is go and get to Google Classroom. So you can just come to Google, go to the top right, make sure you're signed in, click on Google Apps, and then you can scroll down here and go and find Classroom and go and click on it. Then once you're on Classroom, you need to head to the top right and you want to click on the three dots, come down the list and go and find the option Cast, Save and Share. And then you should see the option Install Classroom. You can click on it, so we'll press Install, and it'll then go and pop up. If I go and close it now, you'll see it's on my desktop. We can double click on it, and here we are on Classroom. We've got it.